Greetings, this is Picasa Web Albums, and I'm going to give another demonstration of how difficult it is to manage your photos in Picasa Web Albums. I want to join these two albums, and I'm going to put this one into that one. So I click on it, the album loads, and now I'm going to add some captions quickly. Let's see. Just going to rename it Holiday Inn in Samara, and I'll do the same down here, and I'm done. Alright, so that's easy enough, right? Now let's move. I'm going to edit or organize and reorder, and now I select the two photos. Now I'm going to move them, and here's where it becomes very difficult. Choose an existing album. Now there's no search here. There's no way for me to search the existing albums, and when I try to search using the browser search, Control F, actually I'm using Picasa right now, you'll see that it doesn't find the albums. I'll start typing. I Control F right here, and I'll see what I can find. Hotels in Russia, there it is, but there's no search in Google. So I have to rely upon the luck of the browser. And I select that album. And now there are all of the photos for this particular album. Now, when I go back to my photos, the question is whether or not the albums themselves are still going to be there. Yes. Albums are still there. So now I have to delete the albums. It's not smart enough to recognize that the photos have been deleted from this album, that the albums themselves are empty, so it doesn't prompt me to say, do you want to delete that album? And this is why I'm sure you're beginning to wonder why this is important, because Google and Picasa only gives you 1,000 albums. Once you hit 1,000 albums, you cannot add any more albums, no matter how hard you try. So I have to delete albums, and then I'm adding yet more work to the process, which is extremely frustrating. Even more so because Picasa Web Albums and Picasa 3 don't talk to each other very well. They don't recognize existing albums, and there's no search in the upload tool for Picasa. So to take existing photos and move them into existing albums onto Picasa Web Albums is extremely difficult, and it looks like oh, there it goes. Alright, so I can delete that. So if you are an avid photographer like me and you have thousands of photos, which I do, you are definitely going to bump into this problem sooner than later. And Picasa Web Albums has done nothing to address the problem of only 1,000 albums. So keep that in mind before you spend any more money on Google storage, because you won't be able to use it the way most people think about using it in terms of uploading multiple albums. Thank you.